Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Kelya halwo. Kelya is banana in Konkani, and when you say Kelya halwo you naturally mean a halwa. We call it halwa in Konkani, okay. Even though it is not halwa, exact halwa, but in Konkani we call it Kelya halwo, so I have written as banana halwa also, but it is not actually a halwa. Okay, so when you mean Kelya halwa, it is usually prepared from Nendran variety banana. No other banana variety will be chosen for preparing this dish. So it is prepared using ripe Nendran variety banana. Bananas with too much black skin are overripe, and for this halwa preparation, those black skinned overripe bananas are avoided. Then this maida free recipe, even though I call it halwa, this is totally maida free recipe, and Nendran variety banana have been used, so it is healthy and nutritious also. It is usually prepared during Janmashtami as an offering to Lord Krishna in Konkani homes. So coming to the ingredients, you need 2 ripe Nendran variety bananas, sugar to taste, 3 to 4 cardamom or elaichi you have to powder and use, 1 teaspoon ghee and oil for deep frying. I have used coconut oil for deep frying. Now this is the banana variety that I am taking for preparing this particular Kelya halwa. What you have to do is wash and peel the banana and cut it into semicircles as shown. Now heat oil in a kadai, and once the oil is hot, add the cut banana pieces. Roast and cook them till brown color. Do not forget to flip over in between. Once the banana pieces are done, drain excess oil using a strainer. Transfer them to a bowl. Once you transfer them, you will find that all of them are sticking together. You need not have to worry, they will separate out upon cooling. Now add 1 teaspoon sugar when it is hot and mix well. Now fry the second round of banana pieces. After draining the oil, transfer them to the top of the first layer in the bowl. Then again add sugar on top. Repeat the process with the rest of the banana pieces. Once all the pieces are over and sugar has been added, drizzle some ghee on top. Add powdered cardamom also. Mix well. Your banana halwa or Kelya halwa or banana halwa, as I call it, is ready served. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.